So I'm trying to diagnose the timing on an 89 Dodge Raider, which is the same as a Mitsubishi Montero. Got the timing mark here, aligned with that mark. Timing mark here, aligned with that mark. I've got the rotor aligned with spark plug number 1, cylinder number 1. I've got this guy at 5 degrees, so it's actually, well, yeah, anyway, 5 degrees top dead center, before top dead center. Problem is it won't run, and I'm not certain what the issue is. I really do not know.